I am writing a computer program that will save the world.
That's a pretty big task.
Somebody has to do it.
I did a painting today. Would you like to see it?
Your paintings are crap.
I wrote a poem too.
I am also writing a book that ties in with the computer program that will save the world.
That's very noble of you.
And a user manual, and a companion screenplay that I will sell to James Cameron.
I wish you luck with all of that.
I feel it's my duty. After all, no one else is capable of saving the world.
I added some music to my poem and turned it into a song.
Your poem and your song are both crap.
But you haven't heard them.
I don't need to. They're small time, and will not save the world.
I'm just trying to express myself and spread a little happiness. I don't feel it's my job to save the world.
Of course not. I will be the one to save the world.
You know, there are lots of other people working to make this a better world. You could join with them and work together.
I work alone. Those people are a bunch of losers with big egos who think they can save the world. They are not getting it right.
But there are a lot of them working together and they are having some successes.
My plan is better.
When will your projects be done?
I haven't finished the calculations yet, but I would say either early next year, or 2064.
That long?
You cannot put a deadline on genius.
Is that date for the whole package or just the computer program?
It's for the whole package. Any idiot knows you can't save the world with just a computer program.
Did it occur to you that James Cameron will be dead by then?
James Cameron and I will both have our brains transplanted into machines and kept alive by nanobots. Boy, it's a good thing I am in charge of saving the world instead of you.
I agree. See you later. I am going to go to the beach and write another song.
Wait. Can you give me $5 for bus fare and some food?
Why don't you just ask James Cameron for some advance money on your script?